In the field of software engineering, the Unified Modeling Language or UML provides a standard way to visualize the design of a system. It uses different types of diagrams, and one of its static model is the class diagram. Class diagram defines the types of objects in the system and the different types of relationships that exist among them. Class diagram provides many benefits. It illustrates data models for even very complex informations. It provides an overview of how the application is structured before studying the actual code. It helps for better understanding of general schematics of an application and allows drawing detailed charts which highlights code required to be programmed. The name of the class is only needed in the graphical representations of the class. It appears in the topmost compartment. A class is the blueprint of an object which can share the same relationships, attributes, operations, and semantics. An attribute is named property of a class which describes the object being modeled. In the class diagram, this component is placed just below the name compartment. Visibility describes the accessibility of an attribute of a class. First is the generalization symbols that helps connect a subclass to its superclass. A subclass is usually inherited from its superclass. Next is the association symbol. This kind of relationship represents static relationship between classes A and B. An example would be the relationship of a college student and a normal student in their studies. Multiplicity is a factor associated with an attribute. It specifies how many instances of attributes are created when a class is initialized. If a multiplicity is not specified, by default one is considered as a default multiplicity. An example would be a college institution and 100 students. The college can have multiple students. Decomposition is a special type of aggregation which denotes strong ownership between two classes when one class is a part of another class. For example, if college is composed of classes students, the college can contain many students, while each student belongs to only one college. So, if college is not functioning, all the students are also removed. Last is the dependencies symbol. A dependency means the relationship between two or more classes in which a change in one may force changes in the other. However, it will always create a weaker relationship. Dependencies indicates that one class depends on another. In the following example, student has a dependency on a college institution. Creating a class diagram is a straightforward process. It does not involve many technicalities. Here is an example. ATM system is very simple as customers need to press some buttons to receive some cash. However, there are multiple security layers that any ATM system needs to pass. This helps prevent fraud and provide cash or any details to banking companies. This is the example of a ATM UML class diagram. And that's it for the class diagram of a UML. Thank you for listening.